light travels fastest through? Would this be letter A, water, letter B, air, letter C, solids, or letter D, metals? What is our choice? Number 7, saan daw po ang pinakamabilis na pag-travel ng light? Okay, water, air, solids, or metals? Alright, I see a lot of letter B's. May ilang nagsasabing letter A. Tumpak na choice of course natin is letter B. Okay, so actually, no, tama po yung sinabi ng isa dito, vacuum. Sa vacuum. Pero usually po, ito yung naibibigay ni Let, di ba? Wala yung vacuum. Alam naman, hanapin natin yung vacuum kung wala yung vacuum sa ating choice. Okay, wala yung vacuum sa choices natin. And so letter B yung ating magiging choice dito, no? Which is our air. Okay, so speed of light, kapag ka nasa vacuum po, it's 186,000 miles per second. Di ba? Sa kada segundo, 186,000 miles ang natatravel ng ating light, no, in a vacuum or open air, no? Sa water naman po, it's 140,000 miles. Sa glass, it's 124,000 miles. And sa diamond, it's 77,500 miles. Okay? So kumbaga, mas mataas or mas mabilis sa vacuum, followed by our gas or air, followed by your liquid, followed by your solid. Okay? Kapag ka-sound naman po, makinig kapag ka-sound naman po yung ating pag-uusapan, it is the opposite. Pinakamabilis naman po sa ating solids or sa ating metals. Okay? So letter B ang ating tumpak na choice.